What's up everyone, this is Eric from XO Capital. Today, we once again bring you another piece of valuable content, how to install a VPS and log into your trading account. In case you're not familiar with what a VPS is, it's essentially a virtual computer that you can access from anywhere and is always running. This allows you to automate your trading operations without worrying about power outages, overloading your personal computer, or losing your internet connection. All of these concerns disappear when you choose to use a VPS for your trading activities. So, to get started, the first step is to purchase a VPS. In our example today, we'll be using an FXVN VPS, which we personally use and highly recommend due to its excellent cost-effectiveness. When you visit their website, you'll go through a straightforward purchasing process that's quite intuitive. Just follow the steps outlined on the website. On their website, you'll find various VPS models with different configurations. The main difference among these models is the computational power each VPS provides. In our case, we'll select the most basic version, which more than adequately meets our needs. MetaTrader 4 is an extremely lightweight platform that doesn't demand significant computational resources from your machine. After choosing the plan that suits you, you have the option to make some customizations, but if you prefer not to, there's no need to change anything. The final step is the payment process, where you'll need to fill in your details, similar to any other online purchase. Once the purchase is complete, you'll receive your access credentials via email, allowing you to connect to your VPS, as shown in the image. With your access details in hand, you can locate Remote Desktop Connection in your taskbar and launch the program. A small window will open where you can input your credentials. Be sure to enter each piece of information correctly, and don't forget to change the username. Once the connection is established, you'll be presented with a desktop similar to any other. From here, you should follow the procedures as if you were installing MT4 on your own machine. Simply open your web browser, download your preferred MT4 version, install it, input your account credentials, and you're all set to start trading. I hope this video helped you and answered all your questions. If so, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon, bye.